Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Jacqueline from Hearth & Cove, and today I'm going to show you how to paint and string your crazy cat garland. So you'll have something that looks a lot like this. How cute are these cats? If you don't yet have a crazy cat garland kit, you can find one at hearthandcove.com or click the link below and you'll be able to see all of our garland sets. Inside your kit, you should have most of the supplies you'll need to make this cat garland, but you'll need to gather a few extra things from around the house. First, you'll need a cover to protect your table, some paper towel, a jar of water, some liquid glue, and some clear tape. Once you have your painting station all set up, you are ready to go. In your kit, you'll have 9 blank cats and 2 balls of yarn, some twine, googly eyes, and 2 paintbrushes. You should have a wider one for the main body of the cat and a smaller one for details. We've also included enough paint to make 3 cats gray, 3 cats orange, and 3 cats white with black and orange spots. I'm going to start with the white cat first. Use your wide paintbrush and paint around the edges first. Once you've painted all the way around the edges of the cat, you can lay it down and paint the main body. Remember, you only need to paint the front of the cat and not the back. Once you've painted the cats, you can set them aside and let them dry for about 20 minutes. Repeat this step for all the other cats and make sure to clean your brushes really well before switching colors. Don't worry about adding details yet, we'll do that later. The balls of yarn are pretty easy and painted the same way the cats are painted, starting with the edges first. For the top, you'll need to really get in those grooves to fully cover the surface. You can dry these for about 20 minutes also. Now that the base of your cats are all painted and fully dry, you can start to add the fun details to them. Use the smaller paintbrush for this. You can add stripes to your cats, big calico spots, whiskers, or any accents you like. You can even make it look like your very own cat. Well, are you feline pretty good about how your cats are turning out? Once you're happy with the details, you can set your cats aside again for about 20 minutes until they are fully dry. Now it's time to add the googly eyes. First, you'll squeeze a little glue onto your paper towel. Use the toothpick to dip into the glue and carefully fill the eyes of the cat. You don't need a lot of glue, but make sure you get it around the edges of the circle by swirling the toothpick around. Next, take your Q-tip and give it a quick dip into the clean water, dabbing off the extra so it's not dripping wet. Use the damp Q-tip to grab your googly eye and transfer it carefully into the glue. If the googly eye drops off, don't worry, just try again. Now you should have 11 pieces ready for the final step, which is stringing your crazy cat garland. Lay out your 9 cats and balls of yarn like this. I've chosen my favorite cat for the middle piece, and I've arranged the rest of the cats in a repeating pattern, so I have gray calico orange, and so on. You'll need your twine that came in your kit, so unwrap it and find the ends. Take a small piece of tape and stick it close to the end of your twine, like this. Now start twisting it tightly around each end. I find twisting the tape is a little easier if you don't put the tape right at the end. Keep twisting around until all the tape is around the twine. Then you can snip off the extra. Now you have a stiff needle, which makes it super easy to thread the pieces through. Now do the same to the other side. Next, find the middle of your twine and start with your favorite cat. We're going to work our way out from the middle on each side, so we have an equal amount of twine on both sides. String the twine through the holes from back to front like this, so the twine doesn't cover the cat's body. Then work your way out with the remaining cats in the same way. Remember, you can arrange the cats and yarn in any way you like. There's no right or wrong way to make a crazy cat garland. That's it, you did it. Now you have a super cute crazy cat garland like this to hang in a special place. If you want, you can show off your own finished garlands by posting them on Instagram with the hashtag crazycatgarland. And be sure to like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Click the link below to shop more garland DIY crafts and subscribe to stay tuned for upcoming how-to videos from our shop. I hope you have a perfect day.